I'm just going to put on a little bit of lip something while I wait for some people to pop on because I'm live. If you're watching the replay, please comment below, #replay, and tell me your favorite sub shop, because my new favorite sub shop is JoJo's in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. It's actually a pizza shop, but I had a sub and it was delicious. So that's what I'm going to be thinking about because my hands smell like sweet onions. So I'm going to put creme brulee liquid lipstick on. If you're popping on, please say hi or give me some hearts so I can see who's here. Just waiting for some people to pop on. I'm going to put some lips on. So say hello. Smooth, easy. Hi guys, just putting some lips on. You're so cute. Hi Auntie Sherry. You guys are popping on. Tell me your favorite sub shop. My new favorite is JoJo's, even though it's a pizza shop. That's fine. Okay. Smells like vanilla. Looks like lipstick. Okay. So we are going to talk about this new opportunity, Need a Beauty Guide. So I'm so excited. I think what I'm going to do is talk through the questions that people usually ask first, the FAQ, frequently asked questions. I wish I knew sign language better than I do. FAQ? I don't know what it is. I'm not going to try. Rebecca, do you know sign language? So hey guys, so my name is Brooke. I am a new beauty guide with Limelight by Alcone. And so I'm going to just get started with frequently asked questions, okay? So the first one is, do you have to go live? You do not have to go live, but it is stinking fun. I'm on here right now. You're watching. You like it. I like it. It's scary in the moment, but it's so much fun after. I'm like, oh, that wasn't so scary after all. You know, it's just like anything fun in life. Skydiving. Like, skydiving is scary, but it's also fun. So, not necessary, but totally worth it. Next question is, do you have to be good at makeup? No! Part of why I think this is so cool is because you can either do, hi Sam, hi Lauren, you can either do like really basic makeup, like foundation and mascara, or you can go full glam, but it's not like this pressure to be full glam all the time. We also have a bunch of training, so you can kind of learn as you go. That makes it really, really just easy and, sorry, that was my chair, I promise, and less scary. Next question, is there a minimum of sales? No, there's not going to be any minimum. They're not just going to like drop you off randomly. So that was just really comforting to me. Not that I thought I wasn't going to be full force with this, because I'm kind of all or nothing, hence the hat. Do you guys like the hat? Give me some hearts if you like the hat. I really like it, and if you don't, I still do. I told my upline, Lizzie, I'm all or nothing. Legit, like, I got this before I got a ton of makeup, so I'm freaking pumped. Next question is, what do you have to do to be active? So to be active, you need to sell 300 PRV, thanks Auntie Sherry, on your own and with others. So that could be like your own purchases or people ordering through you. So if you have like just a couple family members, you could just do that. It could just be you and your family members. Get into 300 every month and you're already active. But if you don't get there, again, no penalties. Really cool. Do you have to do cold messages? No. So part of, I don't know if you guys have ever gotten those messages where it's like, hey girl, I was just browsing your profile and I think you'd be great at this. I used to do those all the time with a different business that I was in, and it was so uncomfortable, but you were told like, just do it, do it, do it. The more you do it, the more yeses you'll get. This, you don't have to do that. So they discourage that. So I love that about it. As you can see, like, people come to you. You guys are choosing to watch this right now, so I am not going to be coming to you, knocking at your door, excuse me, please try this, unless we're like really good friends and I'm like, oh, you need to try this. But it's not cold messaging, so it's not obnoxious like that. I'm not going to be doing that to you. So you don't have to do that to other people. Next question is, do you have to do parties? No! You can if you want. I'm going to be doing something really, really special for parties in my VIP group. And you can also do, sorry, I'm eating my hair all the time. Ugh. You can also do in-person parties, but you don't have to. There's not pressure to do that. It's beneficial if you can, if you want to, but there's like, you know, everybody's got their different style and you don't have to. Next question is, how does it work with taxes? I've done this for a couple of years now with my independent like makeup stuff and my independent music stuff. And so basically if you make $600 or more, they will send you a form by January 31st of the next year, I think. And so they do all that for you. They keep track of it. So you just need to keep track of like the makeup that you buy. That's a write-off. Like anything that you buy for your business, that's a write-off. So you can kind of think about it that way. Do you have to hold inventory? No, you can. Especially if you're going to do like shows, home parties and stuff like that, but you really don't have to. I'm not going to unless I become like a crazy makeup guru. Currently I am a wife, baby loving, music singing, makeup doing family girl. So that's my thing. Family girl meaning like visiting my husband's family. So unless I become like full-fledged, then you will be like, oh yeah, that girl's car, you know, but not right now. Not right now. Just the head, just on my face, on my head. Along with that, they do all the shipping online, so I don't have to like ship things out to you guys individually, except for samples. So message me about that if you're curious. But they do all the shipping, and it's $3. Like, you can't go wrong with $3. I'm like a person who will like fill the cart to hundreds and hundreds, not really, but if I could, to get free shipping. But this, you don't even, it's $3. $3. Cool. And then the last question is, when do you start making money? Your first sale. Obviously not from the kit, but once you make your first sale, like say you buy foundation, say your mom wants to try the mascara, boom, money. So that's all the questions that I have for now. If anybody has any more questions, feel free to drop them down below and I will answer them as best of my ability, or I will get somebody else to help me out. So now the kit. I did an unboxing video, so feel free to watch that and get like the initial reaction of me trying the products as I'm opening it. It's a little crazy. But this, actually no, I didn't open them. I opened them with Mason and then I did it the next day. Anyway, so you get them all in this beautiful box. You can see the ring light. Ooh, ADD. But look how pretty. So it's like this nice, like, magnetic box. So it comes all super protected and packaged. Next, you are going to get full size. Everything's full size. Disclaimer. A cleanser, all natural. A mask, all natural. A moisturizer, all natural. And then you're going to get Must Do. All of our skincare is all natural. I should just say that right now. You're going to get our Must Do, which is like a skin oil made from essential oils and vegetable oil. Oils from vegetables? I don't know. You know what I mean? And then the Bamboo Renew, which is a body scrub, which this is the only thing that I have not used yet, just because it's so much of a commitment, and I feel like summer, California legs for me, you know. That's not summer, but that's when I'm going to California. So, everything's full size, freaking awesome, natural, smell phenomenal. Shout out to my skin polish. I will show you, friends. This is my face mask that I love. Can you smell it? You can't smell it, but it smells like lemon heads. But it's all natural, so cool. Okay, so that is it for skincare. You get those 5 full-size products. It's basically a whole routine, and then some. Next, you are going to get the Blenderful blending sponge, and so this is really nice because it has a has a flat edge right there, and then like an egg shape, and then this little point. So it's like perfect for getting everywhere. You twist it into your foundation, and then use a stamp. So when you're done with it, it will dry because you're going to put it in this little case that it comes with. So this all comes in the kit. And then it does not come with foundation because you have to figure out your shade of foundation. So you get like a whole pile of these things to help you color match. And I will help you color match too, of course, and our lovely team. That's like the one thing that you need. It doesn't come in the kit, but that's because you need to match it for yourself. So that comes in the kit. And then also you're going to get a bunch of catalogs, lovely, and your compensation plan information and your career guide. This information can usually be found like online, but it's really nice to have just a hands-on copy to read through. Like, I literally sat and just read through everything because it's so fun. And it's nice to have it in your hands, right? Olden times. Real books, real magazines, real paper. Okay, so next you're going to get your Perfect Mascara, which is a one-step fiber mascara. I did just like a little bit, and it's already like popping, right? Popping. So it's going to come with your Perfect eyeliner pen, which I freaking love. Love it so much I share it with my hat, apparently. You're going to get an enduring lip liner. You are going to get 2 lipsticks. Look how pretty these lipsticks are. Can we just shout out to the lipsticks? I mean, everything's beautiful, really, but I just love that little quilted pattern. Yes. Isn't that rude? Hi, Sam. This is the other one that I got. And then the other 2 lip products, the one I'm wearing, obviously. So this one smells like vanilla. It is Enduring Lip Color. It's a liquid lipstick. It lasts a super long time. Doesn't dry out your lips. It feels dry, but not drying, if that makes sense. So I'd say it's pretty matte. It's more matte than I expected, actually. They said that it wasn't as matte, but it's pretty perfect. And it doesn't crack my lips, even though I have super dry lips. So it's good to exfoliate, but with this you don't really have to as much. So I really like that. And then this is the lip gloss that I got. Has a little mirror on it. Has a little bedazzled topper. And this smells like Starburst. I'm not even kidding you. If you like lip gloss, just try one of these babies. I'm not a lip gloss gal, but I ordered 4. Ordering 4 more tonight. Seriously, it smells like Starburst. But no chemicals, no parabens. A lot of our products are gluten-free, nut-free, like a ton of stuff. I can send you a product guide if you need that specific information. Next up is the face products that you get, which is, depending on which kit you get. Oh, thank you, Cece. I didn't wash my face today, but it still looks good. Thank you. So you're going to get either 3 blushes, or you could get the bronzer, or you could get the setting powder. So this is what I got. And I noticed today this one has a shimmer in it, so I think it might be the highlighter, actually. Fun stuff. And then those come in these 3 little compacts, so it's really nice because you can either keep them on these little ones and have them separate, like if you're going to have one blush that you bring with you or just your setting powder, you can put it in there. Otherwise, you can put them all in this beautiful, beautiful compact, which, so all those come in the kit. Okay, that concludes the beauty guide kit, I think, of like the past couple of months. But then, in March only, this is what comes with it. So this beautiful bag, which is just awesome because it's nice to be able to represent, you know? So all my makeup fits in here as of now. It's starting to get a little full at the top, and after I get my next order, it will not fit. But you get this bag, so that's just like 2 more days left that you can get that for free in the kit. It's like just a bonus, not free, but you know, it's a bonus. These 4 eyeshadows, which are super duper pigmented, so you only need a tiny bit. Let's see if I can just swatch one. Which ones did I swatch? I'll swatch the light pink one. See that? Can you see that? It's kind of faint, but I loved that. I used it on my eyelids before, and it was super nice because it's like my skin is not super pink. Here's another one. My skin's not super pink, but this was like just a good, like, I don't know, nice fleshy tone on my eyelid. Or if you have like darker skin, it's going to be a nice pop to really bring your eyes out and forward. So I think this is just like a cool Neapolitan, that's what I call it, Neapolitan palette for anybody. Even though nothing in this is white, this is like a little like blush pink color. So that and that so far is in the March thing. And then you get these 5 brushes. So these like nice designer brushes. This one is for like contouring, and then these are for eyeshadow. And then this last one is like freaking weird and freaking wonderful. I use it for my eyebrows. It's like a pen, but it's a brush. So that concludes the kit. If you have any more questions, please drop them down below. I always get so scared to go live, and then I get on, and then I'm like, oh, I have nothing else to talk about. So if you have questions, please drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be blessed.